Here we have Polygon symbol MATIC, and this one is looking quite good above your 2.25 level that we spoke about for like a couple months here, realistically. In all higher term time frames, essentially trending right now. This one still does have a technical target based off of the long-term accumulation formation all the way up to about $3.50 in line with one of our fib extensions over there. So that is good confluence. Short-term 4-hour is just another higher low. So I do like this as an invalidation, that being about 220 on a 4-hour closure. I do look for a correction down to about $2 even. Daily does not really lose its bullishness as long as you're still above, actually about $2 in this case. And for right now, this one is continuing onwards and upwards. Volume is starting to pour on into this one on the actual macro breakout. We do see daily RSI in the bullish control zone. We do see daily volatility continuing to move upwards and onwards right here. This looks quite good. This looks quite good. So again, there's always invalidations for these sorts of things, but 4 hours just continuing to trend. So we see all time frames trending here essentially. Just briefly want to check out momentum as well, just to, you know, match it up and see if there's anything that's massively disagreeing with that. But so far, so good. Let's see, daily Stokes are up as long as above 234.5. So that is right now, well, that is going to be very likely met. 12 hours also up as long as above 217. Okay, also quite good. 4 hour is going to freshly cross up above 242 in this case. Now, I was aware that this one actually has an event coming up. So it does have an event coming up. And typically when you have an event coming up, I think they have like some sort of, I don't know, ZK rollups or whatever the fuck the new meme within this market is. You typically do see a rise up into the event, and then around the time of the event, or maybe like a day or two after the event, you typically do see a lot of selling come in. So how high does this one get first before then? You know, our next major area would be around 265, which I do think is quite likely. Next one above that, upon validation above 265 on a daily, would be about $3, just above $3. And then if things really get crazy, I guess $3.50. So do be aware of that, because you're very likely to get a pullback around that event time. The question is, does the pullback essentially create a lower low or not? And for right now, you got your higher lows on a daily as long as you're above $2. So that is looking quite good. And hopefully that was helpful for MATIC.